Hey guys, it's Chase, and this is my Cartoon Network Punch Time Explosion XL review for the PlayStation 3. To start off with, the title screen music, while catchy, can get a bit annoying, but oh god do I love hearing the Cartoon Network chime. At the main menu, you'll be greeted by a bunch of choices. First off, there is Story Mode, which is the main method of unlocking characters in this game. The story is pretty much something evil is terrorizing all of the Cartoon Network universes. Dexter sees this and goes on to gather a bunch of characters to stop it. To unlock a character in story mode, you have to battle a dark version of them. Oh yeah, spoiler alert, the evil being is a giant TV remote, and also the final boss. The TV remote captures all of our heroes, and when all hope is lost, who saves them? Major Glory, the awesome parody of Captain America? How about Batman? The Teen Titans? Nope. Captain Planet in all of his pride. Overall, the story was sort of generic, and there's little to no voice acting except for the narrator, who is Space Ghost. He was a great narrator and was funny as well. It does kind of suck, since the characters don't have voices, you can't see them having conversations, which would be awesome. And when they do talk, it's usually just a phrase or something. It's usually not the correct voice actor. I think the only ones with their original VAs, Bubbles and Billy, and Tara Strong and Richard Horvitz do a great job. There's also Battle Mode, where the game starts to get better. I should also mention the fighting style is that of Super Smash Bros. Like Super Smash Bros., there's a plethora of characters to choose from. Shall I name them all? Oh, fine. Teenage Ben 10, Chatter and his fart cloud Kimchi, Bubbles, Flapjack, Knuckles, Nigel Uno, better known as Number One, Bubbles, Blossom, Mac and Blue, yay, Dexter, Monkey, Grim, also yay, Billy and Mandy, Samurai Jack, Captain Planet, Father, again, yay, Zoidberg Dude, Mojo Jojo, Kevin 11, Johnny Bravo, him, Young Ben 10, the Scotsman, Hoss Delgado, the Toilinator, and Aku. I find the cast of characters great, but I do find a lot to be desired. I mean, do we really need 4 Ben 10 characters? Also, the characters make me want a sequel, and I've made a list of who should be in it. Now remember, these are all just my opinions, and if you don't agree, leave a comment. Ed, Double D, Eddie, Bugs Bunny, Daffy, Gumball, Ash Ketchum, not his Pokemon, just Ash, Space Ghost as a playable character, Jake the Dog, Finn the Human, and my personal favorites for last, Mordecai and Rigby. There's also the Vault, which keeps your records, stats, movies, and bios. The bios are character bios, in case you didn't know. The movies are all of the little cutscenes you've encountered throughout the game, and there's also a place to buy movies, which brings me to the next place. The store. Here you can buy characters, character costumes, stages, and the best, TV clips, with such favorites as...
Oh, you call me sick of this! Well, what about your fear of professional figure skaters?
That's not a fear. I just don't trust the way they spin is all.
You gotta believe me, Mandy! The clowns are nothing but ultimate evil! They want to be the dominant species on the planet, and they'll destroy us all to make it happen! Destroy us all! 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 Destroy us all!
I'll take the chicken.
Destroy us all! 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 Destroy us all!
And who can forget...
Come on, I brought my drill. Oh. we can paint flames on the side. So, we can ride down that huge hill on Mulberry Lane.
Oh, Mac, you mean it?
Of course, just like I promised.
Oh, Mac, you're the best kid an imaginary friend could ever have. Why'd you get this thing away from me?
I'm a horsey. Ah! Now you're a horsey. Give me out.
Overall, this game is okay. If you're a Cartoon Network fan, you might want to pick it up. If you're a Super Smash Bros. Fan, you might be disappointed. I'm going to give this game a B-. Well, I'm Chase, and thanks for watching.